Do you ever feel like your videos aren't making the impact you want, no matter how much time or effort you put into them? What if the missing ingredient isn't just new gear or more experience? It's a shift in your mindset. Today, I'm breaking down how a 2.0 mindset can help you stand out in a crowded space. But before we dive in, I want to know what's the biggest challenge you're facing as a video creator? Drop it in the comments right now, and let's see how we can help each other out. Okay, let me get to work. What if I told you the difference between where you are now and where you want to be isn't just talent or equipment, it's your mindset? The 2.0 mindset is about recognizing that growth doesn't come from what you have, but from how you think. It's about moving beyond good enough and unlocking your full creative potential. In my book, You Gotta See This, I share 4 game-changing tips that will transform the way you approach your craft and help you push the boundaries of what's possible. If you're ready to elevate your work, scale your income, focus your hustle, stand out in your space, and you're nodding along, let's dive in. Number 1, elevate your work. We've all been there, that frustrating feeling of putting everything into a project, but still not standing out. If you're serious about leveling up, becoming the next level creator, stick with me. We're going deeper into what it really takes to make a splash and create content that grabs attention. We all start somewhere with that first camera, that first story, that first edit. I remember in my early days when every video felt like a mountain to climb. But here's the thing. Staying where you are isn't an option if you want to grow. Your growth only happens when you step into the uncomfortable. What can you do to make your videos stand out even more? It's easy to think this is about mastering a new editing trick or upgrading your gear, but the reality is it's about how you tell the story. The best creators dig deep into the emotional core of their stories, and that's what makes the difference. Take a moment to reflect on your past work. What's one thing you could have done differently to elevate your storytelling? Go ahead and comment. I'll be reading through them all and offering some tips. All right, number 2, scale your income. This isn't just a hobby, it's a hustle. If you want to take it seriously, you need to think about multiple streams of income. For many creators, the gig economy feels like the only way to make money. You shoot a project, you get paid, then you hustle for the next gig. But what if there's a smarter, more sustainable way to turn your passion into steady income? The 2.0 mindset isn't just about working harder for gigs, it's about creating multiple streams of income that work for you even when you're not on set. Relying on gigs alone can leave you constantly scrambling for the next job. But when you start building an income stream economy, you create financial stability and freedom. Instead of thinking, what's my next gig? Start asking, how can I create value that pays me over and over again? By moving away from the gig economy, you're not just working for your next paycheck, you're building a business that supports your creative freedom and long-term success. Your 2.0 mindset is about creating streams of income that let you focus on what you love while growing your brand and career. All right, number 3, focus your hustle. It's easy to get caught up doing a little bit of everything. One day you're editing, the next you're shooting, and the day after you're handling social media. But creators who stand out the most are the ones who find their niche and dominate it. What's your lane? Take a moment right now. What's the one thing you're truly exceptional at in video creation? Is it storytelling, cinematography, editing? Let me know in the comments. Focusing your energy on your strengths is your path to 2.0. Narrowing your focus doesn't limit your opportunities, it multiplies them. Why? Because when you're exceptional at something, people notice, and that's how you start to build demand for your skills. All right, number 4, stand out in your space. The video making world is crowded, but the good news is there's only one you. Standing out isn't about flashy tricks and gimmicks, it's about authenticity. That's your unique voice? What's the story only you can tell? What's the one thing that makes your work stand out? Is it your perspective, your storytelling style? Share it below. Let's help each other find what makes us unique. This is exactly what I'm doing with these videos, my courses, and the resources I'm developing. I'm building content around next level creation, helping creators like you unlock their full potential. The goal is to help you not only create better videos, but stand out by mastering the art of storytelling and visual communication in ways that resonate with your audience. I'm not just talking about this mindset shift, I'm living it and sharing the tools you need to do the same. Whether it's refining your storytelling, nailing your brand voice, or creating videos that leave a lasting impression, I'm building a community that focuses on next level creating. Your 2.0 isn't just a step away, it's a complete upgrade. It's about adopting a growth mindset, improving your craft, and stepping outside your comfort zone. Ready for the takeaway? Your story is your superpower. The more you focus on what makes your work unique, the more you'll stand out in a sea of creators. Don't try to mimic others, instead amplify what makes you different. People want to see your perspective, your vision. Standing out in your space doesn't mean following trends, it means blazing your own path. That's what I'm aiming to do with my resources, and that's what I want to help you achieve as well. Together, we can all push the boundaries of what's possible and create lasting impact. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on storytelling and video production. Also, make sure to check out the resources I've linked in the description. You'll find some valuable tools and guides to help you on your creative journey. Thanks for watching.